Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix no DHCP server was found error in Windows 11. So to begin with, simply restart your router and see if you get the error or not. If you get the error, then proceed ahead with the next steps. Simply search for Windows Security and open it. Then go to Virus and Threat Protection. Then go to Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. And from here, turn off all the security modules and see if you get the error or not. If you still get the error, come back here again and turn back on the security modules. Then go to Firewall and Network Protection. Then click on Domain Network and turn off the Microsoft Defender Firewall and see if the error gets resolved or not. If it doesn't, then turn off the Private Network Firewall. And if it still doesn't, then turn off the public network firewall and see if the issue gets resolved or not. In the next method, search for services and open it. From here, find the DHCP client, double click on it. Set the startup type to automatic and start the service from here and save the change and see if the issue gets resolved or not. In the next method, search for proxy settings and open it. From here, turn off the automatically detect settings option. Then if you are using a proxy server, click on setup and simply turn it off from here and save the change and see if the issue gets resolved or not. In the next method, right click on the start menu Windows icon and click on device manager. From here, expand the network adapters. Right click over your network adapter option and click on uninstall device. Click on uninstall and once uninstalled, restart your computer. After restart, the drivers will get automatically installed and then check out whether you still get the error or not. In the next method, search for command prompt. Right click over it and run it as administrator. Now go to the video description, you will get these command lines. Simply copy them in order one by one. Paste it in the CMD window and hit enter to execute them. Once done with the final command, close everything and restart your computer and see if the issue gets resolved or not. However, if you still get to see the error, then as a last resort, you need to uninstall any third-party antivirus if you have installed it on your system, and this should definitely fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.